Yeah. It looks good. You see that? You see that? Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. She only getting better and better. Period. Period.
Where you been? Yeah, I'm trying to find you. Do I need to remind you? Yeah. Shawty, doing a leg for shawty. All you need is a leg for shawty. I gotta get you wet for shawty. No, you gotta love me, and baby we can do it. We know it, I know it. See you got that blue green blood to it. I don't boy, baby, I just let you know it, baby.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vacay, aka Double O Styles, and thank you so much for watching. If you are new to me, make sure you press the subscribe button and make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Period. Point blank. For my eyebrow pencil, I use Morphe in the color Chocolate Mousse. For my eyebrows, I just draw a line at the bottom and the top, and I'm filling them in the middle and making them look full. The concealer I use under my eyebrows is Stay Naked Color Corrector Concealer, and I use a lighter concealer for the bottom, and then for the top I'll be using a whole nother color that matches more of my skin tone. For the top line of my eyebrows, I use my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation, which I use that on my face as well. Back to what we were doing. We're filling out that concealer, making it even around the eyebrows, and I'm fluffing them eyebrows out. Y'all, I really love this Stuck On You eye primer. Like, when I was singing it, I was so serious because it really brings out those vibrant colors of the eyeshadow that you are using, and I just really like it. Like, I think you should probably try it out too because it really does something for your eyeshadow. So I am using the black shade to put in on the corners of my eyelid, and I normally start this way, and then I'm putting a lighter brownish tan color in the center, and I'm going to kind of fluff it out and make it, you know, just make it kind of life. I still kind of struggle with eyeshadow, but I think the more I practice, the better I'm going to get, obviously. So I just keep trying, and I think this is probably one of my safe routes that I do, is the black and the tan. And yeah, that's my safe route, and plus I'm wearing black anyway, and I just wanted to make it like a dark, grungy, emo type look. So that's the goal. For my next step is foundation. I wet my sponge, and I am using 2 foundations, and I'm just spreading it across my face. I will list the products below, but I use Stay Naked and NYX, of course, and I just blend them in on my face, on my neck, everywhere on my face where you could just see my skin. Then I apply this powder called Black OPL True Color. I really love this medium finishing powder because it just blends in so well with my skin. With this new concealer, this is my first time using this concealer. It's called Jacqueline, and let me tell you, I do not like it. And let me tell you why I don't like it, because it dried so fast. Most of my concealers don't dry as fast, and it was just hard for me to get it to blend. It wasn't blending, it was just staying stuck. It was giving so much of a stuck that I had to just whip out my old concealer that I use. And I'm just like, this is not it for your girl. So I decided to switch it up and layer my concealer on top of this one, because obviously it's not going nowhere. But major shout out to Anti-Dots Liquid Concealer Corrector. It is from Balm, and it is the bomb, because obviously it saved the day for the kid. Okay, now we're blending. Now we're getting somewhere. Okay, because that last one, Jacqueline, no, not working for the kid. Okay, I don't know if I was doing something wrong, but it's not for me. Next up, we have Morphe, the Bake and Set Setting Powder. It is the banana one, and I put this under my eyes, on my cheekbones, on my forehead a little bit, on my chin. And I really just love Morphe products. They are really good for me, and I just can't get enough. Simple as that. So I simply just let it sit on my face for a while, and then I brush it off. Next up, I use this shading cream trio from the Cream Shop, and I just use that for the darker shades, and I am contouring my cheeks, my face, and just overall outline of my face to give it a more of a sharper feel, I guess. And then I use a smaller brush to contour my nose and make sure I'm not overdoing it, you know what I'm saying? Because I used to overdo it, and I learned my lesson. Next, I'm using my oh-so favorite bronzer that I got from my mom. It is from Mented, and the name of it is called Vacay. Y'all, I love Vacay. Vacay is a blast to have, okay? It just makes me feel so rosy and so cute. For my eyeliner, I prefer to use liquid, and I prefer to start from the outer corners and then draw my way in. I don't know how most of you do it, but that is definitely my preference of doing my eyeliner. And I got my eyeliner and my lashes from Amazon. While I'm waiting on my lashes to dry, I'm going to go ahead and put on some blush, and then I'm going to use this Lovecraft Beauty highlighter that I got from my Ipsy bag. And she's like a gold color, and I'm just putting her all over the areas that need to have it, okay? And I'm going to spray my Morphe setting spray, baby. And we about to start prepping them lips, which is my favorite part of doing my makeup, is doing my lips.
You know it's going down. If you want some more, baby, you know I can throw it down. Come to my oven now, and it ain't gonna be my showing down.
But before I start on my lips, I'm going to go ahead and put on that mascara so I can go ahead and start to apply those lashes, because it is time for me to go ahead and put them on. I've been letting them eyelashes dry as long as they need to dry, and I'm still going to blow them out just to be sure that they're ready to be applied and sticky and tacky. And once it gets to that point, it makes it very much easier to just snap them on. And I think because I have long nails, it definitely helps me putting them on as well. Then back to the lips, I love to apply a darker lip liner and then add like a light lipstick and then finish it off with a glossy lip gloss on top, because I love having a matte look, and then I love to blend my lips out and make it look glossy. And we're finishing off with a final spray. How could I forget to do my lashes underneath? How dare I? But yes, this is my final look. Comment below and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching.
Give me a second, give me a minute. Now that bitch that you finished, and that's why I need the bitches of mine. All that sauce is good for me. I said you were right. I wanted that. This ain't no warning shot. Hey, like rose for God. No, you be more than off. Without me, I'm so coming back. I'm so breezy. Everything is so needy. Don't guess I replace me, but this thing is too high. They can't survive. All meaning I'm talking pedigree. Ain't nobody that's just me. Ain't no spiteful, I'm just cheap. Can't hate a bitch for free. Cause I'm off the bench like Brady. I'm pressing niggas like Katie and stuff. Yeah, nigga, it's up to me. Remind you of Delaware. So classic that ass so fat it look natural, it's not. I talk bullshit a lot. No more fuck shit, I'm done.